Jonathan Woodward. Today we're going to talk about how to set up and begin using Reason, whether it's the demo version or a version that you've purchased. As you install the product, you will first notice a setup wizard comes as the first screen. Please click your language of preference and then go ahead and click the next button, and you will proceed to the audio output or the audio interface options. This is where you'll choose if you have an external interface such as speakers that you'd like to use. It is also the area in which you'll choose ASIO drivers as a PC user as the optimum. But if you don't have ASIO drivers, that's fine. For example, I have the DX primary sound drivers, which is the option I'm going to choose for my computer. When you click Next, your computer scans to see if there are any external USB controller surfaces, such as a MIDI keyboard. If you don't have any, it's alright to click Not Selected and hit Next. You're prompted and asked whether you are sure you want to proceed without an external USB surface, and you just simply say yes. As the Reason application launches, you will notice that the demo song is the first thing that pulls up. You have 4 windows: the device option to create, the device's rack, the sequencer section, and the transport area. Let's look at these more in depth. I would like to spend the remainder of this first video focusing on the transport area, which is the area where my cursor is hovering now. There are basic controls similar to the normal VCR controls that control play, stop, fast forward, rewind, and maybe most importantly, the record button. So let's try the demo song that pulls up initially as you fire Reason. To play the Reason file, there's the demo, simply hit play, and you can hear it. Alright, but there'll be plenty of time for that on your own. Let's look at a few controls in the transport area. First, let's talk about the loop function. You have a left parameter and a right parameter, which control the area in which the loop function will play. If I were to mash play at this point, it would loop between the left control and the right parameter here. To go back to the beginning, a shortcut is to hit stop twice. Let's play and watch that the play control, which is signified by this down arrow, this is where we will start the music, will loop. As you can clearly see, the loop function is working. Let's cut loop off and see what happens. The loop area. Hit stop twice to go back to the beginning. Now let's push play. As you can clearly see, the loop function is not on now. And you have the option also to speed up or slow down the music. For example, I will push play from the point at which it's at, measure 9, and speed up and slow down the tempo by using the tempo control to your left. These are the basic ideas behind the transport area. You can also control time signature, what bar you are on, the amount of time that has passed, dub new features. A great variety of things are here, but with this start, you can begin making music and control where you're playing.